Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Happy, fine, fine. Taking care of your health and your parents' health as well? Very good, dear children. Dear children, in our previous class, we were learning about our story, the robot and the cobbler, right? Lesson 3, Robot and the Cobbler. It is a story about a beautiful friendship between Hari the cobbler and a robot, right? Robot ने हरी की काइंडनेस देखकर उसकी शूज बनाने में हेल्प की थी, राइट? एंड जब हरी एंड गिरिजा को पता चला था दैट रोबोट वाज हेल्पिंग देम, उन्होंने रोबोट को क्यूट क्लोथ्स और शूज गिफ्ट किए थे, राइट? एंड इन द एंड व्हेन हरी एंड गिरिजा हग्ड एंड किस्ड द robot whispered, "Thank you!" Right, dear children? And today we will be doing the reading of our lesson. So open up your textbooks and read with me. Hari is a poor cobbler. He lives in a small hut with his wife Girija. One day he makes a beautiful pair of shoes. They are red with white laces. He puts them on the table in his shop. A small boy walks into his shop. He looks at the shoes. He tries them on. The shoes fit him. He wants to buy the shoes, but he has no money. He has a strange toy with him. जैसे ही हरी के पास एक ब्यूटीफुल पेयर ऑफ शूज होते हैं, वो उन्हें सेल करने के लिए अपने शॉप पर रखते हैं. एंड वन डे अ लिटिल बॉय कम्स एंड उन्हें वो शूज पसंद आते हैं, बट द लिटिल बॉय हैज नो मनी. ही हैज अ स्ट्रेंज टॉय विथ हिम. सो व्हाट हैपन्स नेक्स्ट? He has a strange toy with him. He gives that toy to Hari. वो हरी को टॉय दे देते हैं. The boy tells him that its name is Robot. उस टॉय का नाम क्या है? Robot. It can do many things. It can walk, talk, sing and dance. वो कितनी सारी चीजें कर सकता है. Hari and his wife are happy. Hari says, "Leave robot with us. Come after 3 days to take it." Hari उस little boy को बोलता है that leave this robot with us and come after 3 days we will return the robot to you. In the evening, Hari wants to work. He looks in his cupboard. He finds that only one piece of leather is left. Hari, there is no leather in the cupboard. I cannot make any shoes. Girija, don't worry. I have a small piece in my box. You can use that. हरी को एक इवनिंग पे काम करने का मन हुआ. सो उन्होंने देखा कि उनके पास एक छोटा सा लेदर पीस है. So he said that I have a very small piece. Now how will I make the shoes? So Girija said, "Don't worry, I have a piece of leather too, so you can make the shoes. That night, Hari cuts a pair of shoes with this piece. Then he goes to bed. The next morning, he gets a surprise. उन्हें next morning surprise मिला. Hari, look Girija, a pair of shoes. Girija, they are so beautiful. Now we can sell these shoes and get money. Hari buys leather with the money he gets. वो शूज बेचकर उन्हें जो मनी मिला, उन्होंने उससे और भी लेदर परचेज कर लिया. He cuts a pair of shoes. He is tired, so he does not finish them. He leaves them on the table and goes to bed. उस दिन भी हरी शूज के पीस को कट कर देते हैं and he is very tired, so he thinks कि मैं next morning ये complete कर लूँगा and he sleeps. In the morning, he gets a surprise once again. There is a pair of new shoes on the table. Hurry! Look, Girija, again a pair of shoes. Girija, let's find out who does this and thank him. Hurry! Tonight, let's hide and see. हरी एंड गिरिजा को फिर से एक पेयर ऑफ शूज मिलता है and they feel surprised. So now they are going to find out that who is making the pair of shoes for them. That night they hide behind the door. Soon they hear a sound. It goes rrr. They see robot move. As it moves, it sings. वो देखते हैं कि ये सारा काम रोबोट कर रहा है and it is singing. Beep beep, everyone is asleep. I like to help Hari, who is not at all greedy. He is good and kind. So robot is singing this and he is making a pair of shoes for Hari. In the morning, a new pair of shoes. I want him to find. Robot finishes its work and stands in corner. Hari, such a kind friend. Girija, I have an idea. Let's stitch new clothes and a pair of shoes for him. गिरिजा ने एक आइडिया दिया हरी को. Let us make clothes and a pair of shoes for the robot. Hari is happy. He stitches a pair of new shoes for robot. Girija stitches new dress for him. They dress up robot and wait for the little boy. The next day the boy comes. Next day boy आ जाता है. He gives money to Hari for the shoes. He looks at the robot. वो robot को देखते हैं and the little boy says, robot looks smart. Thank you for the new dress and shoes for robot. Hari holds robot in his arms. Girija kisses it. Robot whispers, thank you. So dear children, you should practice reading like this. And I know that you will do really well in English reading. I will see you next time with the hard words of this lesson. Till then, read this lesson. Practice your reading skills. Bye, dear children. God bless you all.